Welcome to Dragonfly Trading. My name is Carrie, and I'm a full-time trader in the crypto and Forex markets. Today's video is going to be an update on Bitcoin. Remember, this is not financial advice. This is just the way that I saw the market. In my latest video, I made a preview of the course, just little clips of various lessons that are within it. And I got a comment that said, life-changing, WTF, big question marks, laugh out loud. And I don't pay attention to negative comments. You're going to get them, no big deal. But this one struck me. It struck me because I don't think this person thought about all the struggling people out there trying to become professional traders, hitting roadblock after roadblock. This course would be life-changing to them because I have seen it change lives. It's changed mine, and it's changed so many students' lives, and I am confident in this course that it would change other people's lives. All right, let's get started. We are on Bitcoin on the weekly time frame. You can see the red MA is the 200. The blue is the 300. We have wicked through the 200 before, but never closed a candle underneath it. Now these came close, but it was able to recover. The 200 is sitting at 22,300. The 300 is sitting at 16,700. If we can hold one of these, we will stay out of our potential wave one. Now, if you've been watching my channel, you know that I am very partial to this count. Okay, one or the other. I would really like to see the orange one happen. Okay, that is assuming that the correction is coming from over here and we're making a big WXY. In all of this confluence of fib levels, the way that I have them pulled, I have them pulled for the big correction, the WXY in brown, the 1.382. I have them pulled for this leg in yellow. I have them pulled for the tiny leg to have one more rollover to the 2.236, and I'm pulling from bottom to top for the 382, this top. Also, the base channel and the acceleration channel are coming right into that area also. Now, we have bullish divergence on the monthly. We've got bullish divergence on the weekly. Okay. Can it happen? We're going to have to wait and see. Now, we don't have a lot of support there. The only thing we have is the confluence of fibs, the 200 MA, and there's a little bit of support coming in right here in this notch. Okay, right over here, there's a little tick of support that all of these fib extensions are lining up on to hold it. Will it hold? Well, I don't know, but I'm hoping it will. And let's talk about it. So we've got the WXY count in brown. If we lose this level, this brown WXY comes off the table. It's just not going to happen because the WXY should not take out the 1.382. Okay. If we take it out, then I'm going to flip to the yellow. Hopefully at this level or a little lower, we will bounce for an X wave. And then if the X wave can get very high or B, then maybe we can come back down and hold this level. And it would still hold. But if the X wave doesn't get high, and it just is lower, then we have the chance of holding these lower two extensions for the yellow WXY, 19,300 and 17,350. Okay. If those don't hold, then we're going to flip to the more bearish count, where this was a 1 or an A, this was a 2 or a B, and we're coming down for a 3 or a C. Which one it'll be, we won't know till we get there. We take out the 1.618 at 15,500, then we're most likely making a 5-wave move, and that would be pretty bearish. It's not something that we would want. Okay, let's just hope that we make the ABC instead of the 5-wave move if the WXYs don't hold. Okay, let's talk about this area right here and how it can fool us. There's one other option on the table, and that is a diagonal. Now, we can't pull this trend line down like this because we're coming into price action up here. It needs to go higher. How can it go higher? It can go higher by extending this move out. What it will do is make a 3-wave move here, and then it will connect this leg to the connector and give it a partner leg. And there comes our 4. If it's not the diagonal, this can even extend higher. Okay, it becomes X or it becomes B, and then we have the chance of holding for the Y wave coming down and hold these extensions. Okay, that is a way that it can fool us and not roll over right now and extend higher. And we'll go down to a smaller time frame and take a look at it. This is how it can do it. Instead of making this a 5-wave move, which we'll talk about, it makes a zigzag. It connects this 3-wave move to this 3-wave move and gives it a partner leg. It will definitely fill in this insufficiency. You can totally see it here. Fill the gap and come higher. Now, if it's going to do it, I would think that it would hold the 618 or the 1-to-1 right in this box area. 29,000 to 27,750. Right at the bottom of this green box is the 1-to-1. You can see where the support tapers off, but it actually ends right in this area completely. Okay, this leg, C wave, can definitely come a little bit deeper. But if we hit 26,120, the 1.618, this will be most likely a 3rd wave. And we will be making our head down and most likely this 3rd will get overextended. Okay. And that will be the rollover for the potential C wave right here. Okay, it can handle another rollover down to the 2.236. At that point, the market has a chance, if it can hold, to come out of here in a 5-wave move. That's what we need. We need it to bounce, take out this order block, find support on top of it, pull back, and launch. Okay? It will give a V-cut recovery. It will bounce, support right into this area. Up she'll go, 4th, 5th. All right? What we don't want to see is bounce that bonks its head. We don't want to see that, because that means X wave, down she goes. Okay. It is pretty much that simple, what's happening right now. Okay. It is either going to hold for the ABC 618 1-to-1 in this red box, up for a partner leg to fill in the insufficiency, or it's going to make the 5-wave move. And let's watch these extensions right here. Simple as that. A little more information here. What you'll need to see right here is a 1, a 2 that comes into this 4th wave order block, 3, 4 will find support here, and 5, that'll be the start of it. Okay, these are things that you learn inside the course in detail. All right, that's it, short and simple. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget about the course pre-sale, and I'll see you in the next one.